DataQI is your trusted platform for building AI assistants designed to drive operational efficiency across your enterprise. First, you select from our pre-made assistant types, like a chat interface, a document writer, or a task builder. You can give it a name that represents its purpose, personalize it with a color, choose from our growing list of large language models, or we can help configure it to your use case. For a document writer, you'll then be asked to upload an example file to instruct the AI engine on the format you'd like it to follow. But if you're just using the chat interface, you can move straight on to finalizing your setup. Now your assistant is created, you can start to build your secure knowledge base by connecting to Google Drive, SharePoint, file uploads, and more. Any AI assistant you then create will leverage your data to provide precise, context-aware responses. Finally, launch and interact with your assistants. Simply use the chat interface to query your knowledge base, or describe the task and let DataQI do the rest. In this example, a marketing agency have used a document writer to automate proposal generation for a potential client. They uploaded a previous example, and then DataQI utilizes their data to generate proposals in seconds. Contact us today to find out how DataQI can help you automate tasks, find answers, and streamline workflows.